Today I'm going to show you how to move OneNote section and page panels to the left. This is particularly helpful if you prefer having all your navigation elements on one side of the screen, creating a more streamlined and intuitive workspace that matches your workflow preferences. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load all your sections and pages. Once everything is displayed on your screen, you're ready to begin adjusting the layout. Now, the process to move OneNote section and page panels to the left is pretty straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where your menu ribbon is located. Here you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to all the core settings and configurations within OneNote, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its location. From the File menu that appears, you'll see various options listed. Look for Options at the very bottom of this menu and click on it. The OneNote Options window will now open, presenting you with several categories on the left side. From these categories, look for the Display tab and click on it. This section controls how your OneNote interface appears and functions, giving you the power to customize your viewing experience. Within the display settings, you'll need to locate the section called Horizontal Tabs, Layout Options. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find a checkbox option labeled Move Page List to the left. Make sure this checkbox is enabled by clicking on it if it isn't already checked. Enabling this option places all your page panels on the left side of your screen if you're not already on the default view. This creates a more unified navigation experience by keeping all your organizational tools together on one side. Once you've enabled that checkbox, click on OK at the bottom of the window to save and retain your changes. Your OneNote interface should now reflect this new layout, with your page panels positioned on the left side alongside your section tabs. This arrangement can significantly improve your workflow, especially if you're someone who prefers having all navigation elements consolidated in one area. And there you have it, you've successfully repositioned your OneNote panels to create a more customized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.